Hello there. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show how to create a pattern with an image. Let's get started. In Image menu, select Image Size. Go to Select Menu, and click All for selection. In Select Menu, click Transform Selection. Drag the guidelines to the selection. Go to Select Menu, and click Deselect. Open any image which has already been cut. Go to Select Menu, and click All for selection. Cut the selected image. Now, paste the image. Go to Edit menu, click Transform, and click Scale. Adjust the image inside the guidelines. Duplicate the image multiple times. Click the Marquee tool to select the outer side of the guidelines. Go to Layer menu, and click New menu, and click Layer via Cut. Use Marquee tool to select the guidelines. In Edit menu, click Define Pattern. Then, open a new A4 size document. Now, fill the layer with pattern. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel to support my work. Thanks for watching.